Okay, thank you for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the VISLLA, and these are the true wireless earbuds. One of the features that they have, the main ones, is 5.0 for Bluetooth. It's hi-fi, it's for sport and running. Basically, it's sweat-proof or whatever. Some of the key features, like I said, mentioned, is sweat-proof. You have 30 hours of playtime. You have voice assistant compatibility. It's compatible with Apple, Android, and Windows. And then it has the binaural call, which you basically just speak from both headsets. Hands-free calling, hi-fi sound quality, and then the true wireless transmission. So let's see what comes in the box, and I'll put a link on the notes as well so you could see where I bought it. I bought these in Amazon. Okay, so this is how it comes. It comes with this little case. It has, I'm guessing this is the charging port. It has the different things you can swap out for the ear. The manual, a user manual, and then I guess this is just a giveaway or some type or something. You have to scratch off, so I guess this is something extra that they put in there. You get to win something if you scratch it off, so we'll deal with that later on. So let's see how these headsets come. Okay, so here they are right here. And you can see, this is where you would charge them. I put the tape on there, but this is where it has the contacts, and this is where it's would make the contact the charge, and you would place them here again in order to charge them. So that's the port where you plug it in, the end, and the other side you can plug it into a laptop, computer, some type of USB charging of the wall port. Okay. So I'm going to do another video as well because I bought some other ones for myself. These are for my son. And the other ones are a little bit different. Same company, but you'll see the difference, and I'll put them on another video. But thank you for checking out my video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and always check out my videos. Thank you.